Looking back. Listen and mark the stressed syllables.
1. In 1884, GMT was adapted internationally as a standard time zone.
2. The USA is one of the largest and most powerful countries in the world.
3. The AI robots will help humans to develop a more powerful memory in the future.
4. UFO is the acronym for Unidentified Flying Object.
5. I sent the package right away because I read the acronym ASAP on its cover.
6. Thanks to the GPS, I could discover where my missing car was.
7. Let's get together next Sunday at 7 in the evening.